Hola, it's Gabby, and I'm making a card using these Simon Say stamps, um, these super cute pieces of bread. I'm just coloring them with my copy markers. I don't going to do any complicate or any shading or anything with copy marker. I'm just going to use brown for the cross and beige for the bread, and that's it. And making my peanut butter with embossing paste using my distress inks. I'm going to mix this, and I also going to add something that the architects use for the models. Is look like dirt. I don't know what it's called, but because the peanut butter have like chunks or stuff like that, I want to add just a pinch of this to the mix. To try to mimic peanut butter as best as possible. I was adding little by little the color into the mix until I get the color that I think is the most peanut butter look-alike. I'm going to add this to the bread that have the face because I'm going to add later googly eyes and stuff like that. Is for that the other piece of bread doesn't have the face, because when I add the jelly it's going to be clear, and if I stamp the face it's going to be noticed through the paint that I'm going to add to mimic the jelly. I'm going to add window paint. Like I say before, this is a peeling paint that is you add to the acrylic that come with the kit, but if you add it to paper you cannot peel it off. But it takes a little bit of time to cure completely. You can work in the paint after a certain quantity of hour. I will say like an hour. I left them like about an hour, but it get cure better if you let it for days. After it dries, I add the eyes and the mouth that I made with this Taylor Expression die cut. Sorry that I didn't record that, but I was thinking the camera was recording and it was not, and that happened to me frequently, super frequently. I don't know why. Okay, and I add, like I said before, these googly eyes. I also use the legs and the arms, as you see here. I cut them in pink and color them in black with my copy markers. I die cut this you and me. This is an old die cut for a long time with me. I don't remember what is the house that made it, but I will link it if I found it available. I add this. I use this paper. If I can find, I don't know what is this paper from. I think it's MFT. Yeah, it's MFT. My favorite thing, and it's called Tiny Check Brights, and I get the dark pink. And I'm going to glue that, and I'm going to glue the pieces of bread in the top. But before to glue them, I'm going to add the legs and the arms. After I glue everything in my car panel, I'm going to glue my car panel in my car base. That is white cardstock. I was like between black or white. I think look good in both, but after I edit the video, I was thinking I look better in black, but it's okay. White is fine too. I also add Winkle Stella to the letters, and I glue stars, 3 on the bottom and 2 at the top. And I also going to add a sentiment inside the car. Okay, I finished the front of the car. Now I'm going to add the sentiment inside of the car. It say we are made for each other. And this is it. My car is complete. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like them. Until next car. Goodbye.